Hello everyone, we love focaccia and we love pizza, so why not pizza focaccia? We need Polish for this recipe. 3 grams of yeast. Add 140 grams of water to your Polish mixture, plus 200 grams of flour, 15 grams of olive oil, extra virgin, and 6 grams of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Use your scraper or anything you have in your kitchen. Now time to use your beautiful hands. This is a super sticky dough. Don't worry. Grab it, punch it, fold it, and mix it for a couple of minutes. Cover it and let it rest for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, little bit of olive oil on the surface and fold it like a book. We don't want to knead this dough. This is no knead focaccia. We just fold it and wrap it like a baby. Transfer it into your bowl. Cover it again. Look at those beautiful cats. And after 1 more hour, bring it to the surface and time to shape it a bit. Again, we don't want to lose all the air, so stretch it a little bit. Look how bubbly and airy it is. That's all we want. And fold it like this. Fold the edges. Turn it. And time to transfer it on a baking paper. Careful. Let it rest for at least 1 more hour. This called final proof. Use a little bit of olive oil and cover it again. After 1 hour, take off the cover gently. Use the right amounts of olive oil. Be generous. And time to do the most satisfying part, which is fingerprint. Again, very gentle. Look at it. Beautiful. Use anything you like for the topping, rosemary, tomato, olive, and bake at 220 for at least 30 minutes. But wait, we want to make pizza focaccia. So I had some leftover mozzarella cheese, salami, and some mushrooms. So I decided to make it pizza focaccia. After 10 minutes of baking, I take my dough out. The dough is firm a bit. And I added some beautiful mozzarella plus some leftover pizza sauce, some mushrooms, plus salami. You know me, I love it. And bake for at least 20 more minutes. And look at it. Finish it with some basil and enjoy it. That's it. That's all you need for a perfect pizza focaccia. Thanks for watching my video.